Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Nail Art. Healthy nails are a functionally and a cosmetically important to the daily nail work of women. The globally increasing market for the nail cosmetics refers the importance of the appearance of nails. This article details the accomplishments of a healthy nail designs and trimester of the nail describing use of nails, cosmetics, and their risks. The impact of the process on nails and they are relative the risks to nail salon works. Knowledge of these issues will appear healthcare providers and patent to maintain healthy nails throughout their life. Healthy nails help women occupation the work and joy to their busy lives. Unfortunately, according to the American Academy of the Dermatology, 90% of the people will experience nail decorated during their lifetime. Many of the decorating new will require medicine information nails record or the chief maintain in their 10% of the all medical visits to the dermatologist in the United States Leon and 2027, and there are a subtitle healthy care burden give there are 20 million visits to the in 2006 in the United States. Pale 2009 women seek medical information of the nail decorating, some of the which are audio nail content. Bas.